Hi everyone, today
we will make this trending and viral crochet bangle.
crochet
Here
bangles.
I have made two colors
Here
bangle set.
I have made with these two colors of white and baby
See,
pink.
6 number of
Today
bangles
we
I
will
have
make
made
these
with
bangles
crochet.
with white yarn and
Now
grey
we will
color yarn.
make with different color.
I am using 4 play yarn and
For
3
that I am
mm
using
hook.
4 play yarn and
Then
3 mm
take
hook.
one metal bangle.
First
This is
take one
2/4 size bangle
metal
I am
bangle
using in this project.
and make one knot.
First make one or two
knot
in the bangles.
This
Then
bangle is
with the help
2/4
of
size
needle
bangle.
make
First
chain
make one chain.
then make single crochet
Start
around
making
the
the
bangle.
single crochet around the bangle.
This is 2/4 size
Like this.
bangle. So
This
here
is
I have made
2/4 size bangle.
total 80 single
So
crochet.
here I will
If the
make
bangle size is bigger,
80
you can make
single
more
crochet
number of single
around
crochet.
the bangle.
This
Like
is 2/4
this.
size bangle. So
If you
it will
found
take
the
around
gap,
75
just
80 single crochet.
adjust the yarn.
Make the single very tightly
like this.
Make
single crochet around the bangle. At the end, with the help of slip stitch, close the like this. Make one slip stitch like this. Okay, now make chain one. Cut the yarn.
Next, hide this extra yarn with the help of needle like this. It's very trending in everywhere. After making this bangle, it will give very nice look to your hand. See, here I have made
6 number white yarn bangle. Now we will make a border for this bangles. Now I will change the yarn color. Use the same hook, that is 3 mm hook. First make one knot. Here I have made 2 knots. Now make
chain one.
After that we have to make petals for the border.
For that, skip 2 chains. In third chain, make 5 double crochet. To form a petal shape, we have to make 5 double crochet. This is first double crochet. This is second double crochet. This is third double crochet. This is fourth double crochet. This is fifth double crochet.
Then skip 2 chains. In third chain make one slip stitch. To finish the petal, make one slip stitch in the third chain. See, our first petal is ready. carefully. Here we have made 5 double crochet, then skip 2 chains. In third chain make 1 slip stitch. Next, to form next petal, repeat the same procedure, that is skip 2 chains, make 5 double crochet
like this. This is third one, this is fourth double crochet,
this is fifth one, then skip 2 chains. In third chain make 1 slip stitch. Again repeat the same pattern, skip 2 chains. In third chain make 5 double crochet. 1 2
3 4 5 double crochet. Again skip 2 chains. In third chain make 1 slip stitch. Here I will show one more time. Skip 2 chains. In third chain do 5 double crochet to make the next petal. Like this, make 5 double crochet, skip 2 chains. In third chain make 1 slip stitch. Make next petal. For that skip 2 chains. In third chain make 5 double crochet. This is very easy, and after finishing the crochet work it will look very nice. Again skip 2 chains, third chain make 1 slip stitch. Like this, repeat the pattern and complete the work. In last skip 2 chain. In first single crochet make slip stitch and make 1 chain, then cut the yarn, cut the extra yarn, in back side hide this extra yarn with the help of needle. Like this, hide the yarn. See, it's looking very beautiful. Here I have made 4 bangles with white yarn and 2 bangles with white yarn and border, petal borders, and I have made one more set with off-white and pink yarn. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment my channel. See you in the next project. Thank you so much for watching.